Okay, so now we will cover the next Python interview question that is also very important question and people generally get confused. So the question is related to the decorator. That is, what is decorator chaining and which function will execute first and in which order, whether it's a top-down order or the bottom-up order, right? So let's understand what is decorator. I already created one video, but let's quickly understand that. So a decorator, like how you define a decorator using at the rate syntax, which we already know. So if we have a function and we have to decorate that function, we just use at the rate function. But what is at the rate like this? So this is itself a function. So decorator is a function which take a function and return a function, all right, by extending its functionality. So as an example, we created a one function initial value which is going to take 10 and I want to extend its functionality by adding 10. So I create a one function at 10. Basically at 10 is a decorator. At 10 is a decorator. So decorator is a function, right? It is a function. So I define we using def keyword. It will accept a function. So it is accepting a function. So this initial value will go here, right? It accept as a function, and we have the wrapper function which is basically going to return, and the wrapper function is going to take all arguments. So whatever the argument we are going to pass, it is going to be accepted by the wrapper one. All right, and it is going to execute that function by extending its functionality. So this function get executed and we extended that functionality by adding 10. So if you run that code, you could see I pass 10, right? So I call this function 10, but the output is 20 because I am adding a decorator at 10, right? But the actual question is, what is decorator chaining? So in Python, you can add as much as a decorator you want. So let's add one more decorator, multiply by 2. So you could see we are getting some syntax error, a red error, because this is not defined. So let's define that. Def. So decorator is a function. We define it as a function, right? Which take an argument as a function. So it will take an argument as a function, which is going to return something, which is going to return a function. All right, and we will define a function, wrapper function. A wrapper is going to take the arguments, args, and which is going to execute that function. Execute the, we need to multiply by 2, so we will multiply by 2, and this will function will take also args and quarks. So now the question is, this is the basically the very important classical interview question. Uh, so now what will be the output? So will the add 10 will execute first or the multiply by 2 execute will first? Because if you are saying add 10 will execute first, which means if I am passing 10 and add 10 will execute first, then 10 plus 10, 20, and then multiply by 2 will execute. So basically if, so 10 plus 10, 20, 10 plus 10, 20, and then multiply by 2 will execute, then the output will be 40. But if you are saying first multiply by 2 will execute, multiply by 2 execute, so 10 into 2, because you are saying, because both are decorator, right? Both are decorator. So whether this will execute first, this will execute, or this will execute, and it is basically top down or bottom up. So if you are saying multiply by 2, so multiply by 2 means 10 multiply by 2, which will give 20, and then add by 10, then add by 10, basically with 30. So both are giving the different output. So which means you can't execute in any of the order, right? Basically, you should know like in which order it should execute, right? So the answer is it will execute in the bottom up. So bottom up means first the inner function will execute, then the outer function will execute, and let's put there another decorator and then another decorator. Then so first this will execute inner one, and then the outer one will execute. This is the outer decorator. Right. So let's try that. So if the inner one will execute first, so the output will be 10 plus 10, 20, and multiply by 20, like multiply by 240. So let's try that. So if you try that, we could see the output is 40. So this is basically everyone know decorator, everyone can know we what is there is a concept in the Python called decorator, everyone know how to define a decorator. But sometimes even like experienced Python engineer like get confused, uh, like which decorator, basically the sequence, uh, in which sequence the nested decorator, we call it as a nested decorator, we call it as a decorator chaining, anything you can, whatever you want to call. But the thing is, in which order they are going to execute. So the answer is bottom up. So that's it, that's the end of the video, and thank you.